Hi, what's up, Anchor coin holders? So in this video, I will completely tell you the latest update of Anchor coin holder and what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, everything I'm going to explain in this video. I am 100% sure to after watching this video, you will never need to watch any video now. And this kind of my friends, video holders are just in only my friend in one place now. So definitely, I hope they will moving in the same time or whether in the same way. So in those days, absolutely every currency will fail us down. But I'm 100% sure to in upcoming time there is a 100% chance in my brothers to some coins will not collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, I'm impressed. I'm really like now. But I hope in upcoming time there is a chance to pancakes web will get a profit. But please, you will need to be ready from a risk now. Thanks for watching, holder. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for videos notification.